Dreams of a Gray Cat. Tonight at 11. Raccoons, raccoons, you gotta have raccoons. Hello, and look at the news today. Brings you a Pollywog Spectacular. Dreams of a Gray Cat. Watch this clip. Hello, this is Pollywog, and tonight we're going inside the dreams of an insane cat. I mean, a lovely cat. Watch this. Yes. Whoa, where am I? It's like a beautiful dream. That's because it is. Yes, it is a dream. Then why are you flying? Because it's a dream, you idiot! Oh, I love dreams. Okay. Ow! I think he's dead. Let's go check. Is he dead? I don't know. Well, what do? We have to shock him out of his dream. Attack! Whoa. Do you know how much we had to go through to get you out of there? Yeah, I know. I was dead! Woo! You idiot. And thank you for watching that clip of the insane cat's mind. I mean, the lovely cat's mind. Thank you. This has been a Stuffed Animal Broadcast.